I came to work at HomeSec through a friend of a friend who knew that they were looking for staff. I was a stay-at-home mum. I had been at home for 10 years, raised 3 boys, and then started looking for work. So I went for an interview, met Paul, and the rest, they say, is history. So 19 years later, I'm still here. Obviously, to be somewhere for 19 years, you have to love what you do. You have to love getting up every day and coming to work, and if I didn't love it, I wouldn't be here. I suppose that's the best way to explain why I'm still here, and everyone's scared of me, so no one's going to sack me. That's another reason why I'm still here. So, but all seriousness, you know, it's a great business. Testament to Paul and Jason that we are still here. You know, we're 20 years this year, so that's got to be, you know, a lot to do with their management and their dreams of, you know, the private lending space. Well, I think yes. I mean, am I a female? Yes, that's fairly obvious. Am I in the finance industry? Yes, that's another obviously thing. But I don't know that the two generally need to go together. Yes, it's fantastic that women are in finance, as they should be. There shouldn't be any barriers for a woman who wants to progress their career. You know, if you work hard, both my jobs, I was in the National Bank before having children, and I started as a typist. I worked my way through every single position until I got to be a personal banker. Again, very male dominated, but I did it. And I did it because I was good at what I do. And I think that's the key. Anyone who's good at what they do can go far, and there shouldn't be barriers for just because we're female. I mean, women are just as good as what they, you know, in the finance industry as a man is. You know, can a woman be a GM? Of course I can. I am. And, you know, I've done that over 19 years. I work to ensure that I put what I do on the table and never be afraid to have an opinion. I always used to say to Paul, if he wanted a yes person in his office, then he chose wrong, because I will always have an opinion. I will always say what I think, whether that's unpopular or not. But if you don't have an opinion, you're never going to get anywhere. And that's in anything, in finance, in life. You know, you say what you think and have that opinion. So that's, I suppose, the biggest thing, that, you know, any woman can do anything, as can any man. And there shouldn't be, you know, I shouldn't be thought of any different just because I'm a female and I'm in an executive position in a finance company. And I suppose one thing I would say to, you know, men in the finance industry, just because I answer the phone at HomeSec, I'm not a secretary, and don't presume that I am. And that's probably one of my biggest pet hates, is that when I do answer the phone, and look, I'm a GM, and do I answer the phone? Of course I do. You know, we're a team, everyone does everything. So, and that's one good thing about HomeSec. Yes, I am the GM, but I'm more than happy to, you know, make Paul a cup of coffee or answer the phone if it's busy. So, but there's nothing I hate more than brokers who call and they ask to speak to someone about a scenario, and I can say, I can help you, and I get, oh, can you? And that's because they think I'm a receptionist. So don't assume, you know, that women who answer the phone don't have a senior position. I think proudest moments at HomeSec would need to be they happen every day. We are a solutions-based company. We love helping business owners. We love getting the job done. And there's nothing prouder than having every single person work their butts off to get a deal done. We've settled a loan in 6 hours. People don't believe us, but it happened. You know, and it only happened because every single person in our team and our lawyers worked together just to achieve that. And, you know, there's nothing prouder at, you know, we always laugh about a 7 o'clock settlement on a Friday night, and yes, they do happen. And I think that's what sets HomeSec apart, is at 5 o'clock the doors close and the phones turn off, but we don't. We are here and we will settle a loan at 7 o'clock, and we do that on a regular basis on a Friday night. And I think it's just a testament to everyone and not just myself, but in that we at HomeSec are different. We're not a cookie cutter lender, we are different from the rest. And we are because we care about the clients and we care about having that loan settled and making sure that things happen.